5 amazingly powerful tools for internet marketers. There are plenty of reports out there discussing the best tools for internet marketers. The problem with those? They tend to focus on free tools that only offer a little bit of functionality. That's not what this presentation is about. This time we're talking about 5 tools used by the biggest online brands in the world. 5 tools that will take your business to the next level. Disclaimer, these tools are not cheap, but that's the point. If you want to be successful, then you need to invest in this career path by picking the serious tools that get serious results. KeywordTool.io. KeywordTool.io is one of many keyword research tools. It offers perhaps the best balance of performance and price and will help you to do much better keyword research. The result is that you'll find terms that you can actually stand a chance of ranking for, thereby helping you to bring in even more cash. Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe Creative Cloud is a suite of apps from Adobe. These include the likes of Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and Photoshop. Simply put, unless you are a Mac user, there is no excuse for not paying for this bundle. Why? Because internet marketing is a must, and this is the best way to create video. Because AI files are the industry standard for logos and other design elements. Because Photoshop can take your imagery to the next level. The list goes on, but you get the point. Trackonomics. Trackonomics is a tool that lets you find and compare affiliate programs to monetize your website. Why settle for selling a cheap ebook when you could sell an MBA course? Envato Elements. Envato Elements is a service that gives you access to a huge number of stock images, videos, website templates, sound effects, fonts, and more. It will immediately improve the quality and professional impact of your website, so don't settle for anything less. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is an online shop that is a plugin for WordPress. It also offers one of the best ways to monetize your website. That's because selling a digital product from your website is far preferable to placing ads on the site or selling an affiliate product. And with WooCommerce, you'll be able to build effective online stores using plugins that provide a huge range of additional features. Want to promote your products in your site sidebar? Easy!